Introduce highlight features and overview summary of ceramic non-stick air fryer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Ceramic coating BPA-free and chemical-free, safety stainless steel body insulation, easy to clean, heat-resistant handle and a detachable dishwasher-safe basket. Less fat intake. The air fryer uses up to 85% less fat than traditionally deep-fried food while maintaining the same delicious taste, free oil or little oil cooking. 8 one-touch presets, French fries, chop, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, pizza and fish. One-click operation completes the cooking. You can also set up your own 100 recipes. 360-degree 3D surround for quick cooking with 304 stainless steel electric heat pipe. Cooking time is faster than conventional oven, but with tastier and crispier results. It also has voice reminder function. Hassle-free operation, LED digital touch screen with 8 presets. It comes with an auto switch-off timer, 0 to 30 minutes, an adjustable temperature digital touch screen, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, easy to set up to meet a variety of food cooking needs. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.